Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to the place where you for they see our video. So today we don't carry another Ogboge matter come again. Today we'll talk about Izzy Ogbeide, her husband, and Sarah the tables. Why we ask Sarah to this topic? Hi darling. Why we ask Sarah to this topic? Because after Izzy Ogbeide make her video, Sarah come dey provoke say see Izzy Ogbeide husband. She come dey talk many things, not be my mouth una hear, and we go play the audio for now. Mona hear the audio. And the topic of the video where Izzy make today, where she for said why should we not go for married person. So she with her husband can't get argument on the topic. She say she fit go for the married, she fit go for married man. E no concern her. Fine, she fit go, because most men they talk to women, they will tell you, the women say I not get wife. It dey happen like that. Many of us we don't see am. Say some men they will tell you say they not get wife for us. So she fit date the guy at the maybe when the line that as in they don't dey date, she go come find out say the man don't get wife. So now her husband say, what will you do? He say no fit quit her relationship because the man get wife. They make so many points on this video, many points. Some points not follow for Izzy point, but her husband tried to make points. Izzy Ogbeide not let us hear word. So my people, now know as they be now. Izzy Ogbeide not let us hear me husband talk so that we go see hear and Izzy Ogbeide they argue for this. So my people, I will play the audio for now. Mona listening to the audio. Mona hear wetin they talk about. Okay, my amazing people, if you know, before we go on the video, if you know say you never subscribed to this channel, please don't fail to subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video now receive my video. God bless you. Your one subscriber go help me a lot. Subscription is free. Please do me a favor by subscribing. I would really appreciate that if you want to help me to subscribe. God bless you. So let's go to the audio.
Because my husband took it personal, okay? First of all, let me apologize.
Let me explain. She said she did a video. I don't know the day when she do the video. So her husband can't take the video personal. Like, why you go talk something like this? Why you go say you feel do vaga somebody, you know? So her husband can't take her personal. And then make she bring her husband come and they can't discuss the topic. For here now they hear waiting she they talk. Okay, my people.
For the people who not gonna like this topic, okay? I apologize, married people. I said before, I am not your regular married woman. I'm a crazy married woman. Okay? Please, I'm not your regular married woman. I can't carry marriage for it. Oh my God's married. No, my husband there, he knows, okay? I don't take it personal. So, I can't tell my husband, say,
Izzy Ogbeide, you have to be at least try to be a regular. Since you guys are married, I've been waiting on a sign for paper but that say you know be regular married woman. Please try to be, as far you dey on that man. You may senior the man according to you. You have to respect him as a traditional man. I know say we dey abroad though. Let's forget traditional man. Your husband. Respect him as your husband. We know say you just dey talk. You no go do wetin you just dey talk. Please try to be a regular married woman. It's very good for the sake of your husband. As you dey talk cancel your husband dey on social media. I know say some women, according to the comments where I see for you, some women don't say their eye dey your husband. So you better hold her well and they talk wetin go dey enter your head. Not be say you say you are not a bless you daddy. Say you are not a regular married woman. Please better be, because wetin they see so na Nigeria you marry. Now we first say na kokobiri you marry. We don't find out now say you no marry kokobiri, you marry Nigerian man. Everybody know say as a Nigerian man, as you marry, we get our law, we get our rules, we get our respect when they give Nigerian man. So please try to be a regular married woman. Let's continue.
Why shouldn't women or men go for married people? Why you feel say you not fit fuck married man?
Now they hear
Why
me.
you feel say you not fit friend married man? Waiting, why can't you? Okay, this is my husband get away my they shock on no.
So my people, let's continue with the audio. One of the listing.
Wait, yeah. Why you be say if gay follow married man, everybody I go the rent. If share pretty price, no worry. No, leave comment. I see. I don't like being distracted by comment. Right, okay. If you want to read comment on there, you can reply them. Okay, that's okay. I can log in my Facebook on there. Fine, yeah, then you no, here, use this one. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. Hang on. I don't need to interrupt me. Yeah. That's it.
Let's continue.
I don't really like focusing on comments. Right. I like to just go straight to the point. Right. So leave my husband. He's getting used to it. I won't vandalize him. Don't worry about that, okay? So why shouldn't people? Why are not a friend married man? If I did single, sorry. I don't like this thing. Why are not a friend married man? If I be single gay, why is person not a friend married woman? Wait till day. Okay, tell me why can't I? Yeah, it's inappropriate. It's good.
So my people, let's continue.
Am I evil person? Why can't I follow a married man? There's some people who love this screaming. I want to call, put a phone number so they can give their opinion. You see? Why do you think I know if married man love? Why should I feel guilty if I'm going out with a married man? Why should I feel guilty though? Why should I? Okay, like I said before, I get friends where they follow married man. If you see the things where that married man don't tell this girl, so you go fear. You go advise and say, Karen, they not really there again. The woman not good. Why should I not go for a married man? Why I not fit fuck married man, daddy? Excuse me, man. You see the reason why you know appropriate.
Yeah.
Because appropriate and morals. Yeah. It's not about the moral. It's about what you face at the end. What is it at the end? It's what I want face like. More often than not, people that do this stuff like that one are rubbish. Wait, I beg you. People that do this are what? Now me want tick for the man. You can't prick you can you chase me. You fuck your prick. What it concern me? Another person will come carry a fuck out there. Now that time you go. I don't care now. What you concern me now? That time you go kill.
Thank you.
If you get the fuck, I go care. No. The person.
Is it but not just tell or lie? Say if they do vaga your husband, say you no go care. That means you no love him. If they do vaga your husband, say your husband go carry another babe for outside, and later you can't find that. Say you no go care, abeg mona dey talk wetin una dey do for inside house. Izegba not just I take no for that. Say if they do vaga your husband, mona dey list you now she say she no care. Mona listing later she go say she go pour her husband water. Yes, because when wetin me understand for wetin Izzy Ogbeide talk so if my husband say I don't marry, I get husband, say my husband can't go do vaga another woman for her side, and the woman no know me, even though she know me, who go runs the woman? Now my husband. Who know different lie when don't tell the woman before the girl answer am? Nobody know. So because men dey lie well, if he go, he not concern me, concern the woman. Now me and na. If I go talk to her, yes, I go talk to her. Now I go talk to, because the woman no beg her say come arrest me. The woman no beg her. say come runs me. Na the man carry brokos for inside trouser take go runs the woman, come lie different lie. Most girls no dey know say the man get woman for house. Most girls dey know, but the man go lie different lie, say we no dey again, I no marry am again, he say he no want me again, he don get belle for another person. It dey happen like that. So my people, more lis ten to this their topic, e go dey make sense.
Me waiting say carry go. Yeah, when me I fuck another person, at that time she go care.
She, me, for example, now that you see, I married you like this. You can't go carry bola give another woman. You feel say maybe come the verse for that woman. No. That's what I'm saying now.
You know verse for the woman.
Wow.
You talk the third person now.
Okay, one of the listening.
The third person will come give me to
Yes.
Purpose.
that person I ain't concerned about, and the marriage.
I am not concerned about her.
No, yeah, definitely you will be concerned about her.
What you concerned? Who go give her bola?
The point
Man.
will concern you that the man itself, that should put something in your mind that this man will give me this bola to chop. When they talk bad about the wife when he's for house.
Yeah.
Sooner or later.
He go also do it to you.
I don't care now.
You go care when it happen. Izzy Ogbeide. Izzy Ogbeide, when it happen, you go care, because the man talk different thing about a wife. He talk different evil thing, bad thing about the woman. The woman not good. The woman are this. The woman are that. The woman are so many things. You know, men, if they want to get women, they go lie and lie and lie. You as a woman, you get where you go still play your role. Say not truth. If we now, when we never get sense, we'll say yes. We dey this Euro, we dey see wetin dey happen. Not truth. If man tell you say that my woman na idiot, just believe say when he go runs another woman, not be you again. When he go meet another woman, now so he go still curse you for where the other woman say don't mind that stupid girl when they carry na idiots. So this one now, wetin is Igwe with her man dey talk. He must say you do it to person. You not care about the wife when they home. And second, and when the same man when you they follow, so he go do it to another woman. He go can't leave you there. He can't go follow another woman. Now that time you know say kaki no be leather. Mo regardez, mo na de. Igwe, stop saying that.
Now make me marry her. No cast me join a club. I'm not there. Okay, fine. Say this man, my husband, for example, my use as an example. He carried bola, go give another woman for one side. You fuck the woman, right? Maybe the woman sabi fuck. You like to isn't it? She can't carry you come out. Yeah. You can't see go the fuck other people. If that woman talk to kill her. Because she fuck him when you dey my side. When you dey marry me. If she go not say she marry you, another person they come fuck you. If she cry come out, Ayelala go kill her last and check up.
Now Izzy Ogbeide they understand wetin the husband they talk. The husband say, me, for example, now say I get husband for us. My husband can't go gist, can't go roast my girlfriend, and my girlfriend now will come the friend that my husband. Later, my husband go come, he dey friend am, he never leave am. He go still go meet another babe when she still know. He go come dey friend the other babe. So, waiting, as she go feel bad. Let's leave the first two man now when they has. That my girlfriend go feel bad. Say, now so this man be. No wonder he dey lie to me about his wife. I don't know if una dey understand this topic when Izzy Ogbeide carry come out.
They know the before you know they think I'm
Okay, babe, me go see, I see, daddy, you know say I don't do this, I don't fuck married people. If they're fucking, I no go cry. Because what goes around comes around.
Listen good.
Just
I
get
am not
sex. You
your
don't fuck
fan.
married
This
man.
is my
You come
point.
married now.
You
Sister,
are
you're
making
shady,
a
now. Why
very
you cry?
big
If you
mistake
be say you
to
never
bring
see fuck
your
married man,
husband to
your
social
husband,
media.
fuck am, right? I beg, leave that girl. Now
So my people, we get one comment for here when see Nana. This one say listen and listen very listen and listen good. I am not your fans. This is my opinion. You are making a very big mistake to bring your husband to social media. Social dey talk for the comment section say why Izzy Ogbeide go carry her husband come social media, say social media no good for when person dey carry im husband dey come. And somebody also write say na so Cora take carry im husband come on social media. At the end of the day, Cora husband don be even presenter more than Cora. So many comments. More, let's continue as we dey play the audio. If any comment dey, we go still read them more now. Hear wetin people dey talk, their own opinion. Okay, my people.
No person right now, one of my small friend like this. If you see wetin the married man dey tell her, you go fear.
Fear for waiting.
Daddy, I love you so much. I'm telling you, my wife and I, we're not together. We never fought for 5 years. I want just come on. I dey prepare now. I want buy house. I want do this. Now you can be together, baby. And the man they come the woman house.
So that's enough to sway you away. Why do this? See, let me tell you something.
You are talking of more. We they talk about fine man with sweet man.
See, not be just about chop and claim out.
Thank you.
No,
My advice to Izzy husband, just love your wife.
I know that.
So you chop
Out
that
of social media, please. Some people might will disturb you and you will start regretting losing your best friend.
Okay, breakfast will come early. You know, it will come later. That is say, yeah, trigger. Listen.
So somebody drop one comment here, my people. More check the comment. So one person dropped this comment and say, my advice to Izzy husband, just love your wife out of social media, please. Soon people might one day will blame you and you will start to regret losing your best friend. I cannot see you really love her. Cannot see you really love her. Okay, my people, let's continue with the audio.
For example, see, okay, I know I don't tell you. You see the two married men when I do something with, it was under their wife nose. Okay, now me are the wife this man. The wife don't call me. The husband will just finish. Say, how are you? I want to tell you, my husband is there.
It's different,
right?
In the sense that
what if I love them and I actually got married?
Your breakfast go plenty. Because you see, well, the thing about it is now, like at the point when it's sweet, it's easily acceptable. Like you can carry on your happiness, but when that pepper you like it, they say something. Pashota fit.
Pashota wa papa. No, yeah, Yoruba.
Pashota fit no yali umbelaja funjawo.
Benny, na so Yoruba talk. Bini say wetin he talk Nana. Bini say K when they take beat ìyàwó, they reserve am for ìyálé. According to Izzy Ogbeide, this your topic, my sister, not just to like am. Bring another good topic for you and your husband. I will talk am because you know if they talk. Let's continue.
The kid will be the first wife.
You know, we'll keep am for the second wife.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. In the same context, like because the first wife.
Let me see my own point. Yeah. You know, I always use myself as an example. I won't tell you something. Because I've done it before. I will say that I was ignorant and reckless and single. I think I was around 21, 22 years. Reckless and single.
You see, in the context, like, if it's to chop and clean out, fine.
Yeah, I wish the Perere Mirisha for collect the man, marry him.
Really? So, my people, more go comment. So, this one say... Our commenter for here says she's too open. She do not care about any idiot opinion as long as you do not add value to her life. You are unimportant to her. I love her. We we will fear God, not human, especially those idiots people. And our second commenter can say, now this one people it remain, this mad boy go carry. Huh. Say now this one when people eat remain, now this mad boy go carry. Why you go dey call am mad? Wetin the boy come still do now? Wetin the boy come still do now? One of the insult am now. Like, and somebody come answer say, Uromi Bado, I hear say your mama dey do olosho na make your papa leave her. Okay. Mona, you see commenters. He say Uromi boy, he hear say your mama na olosho na make your papa leave her. And our second, yes, you are right. Just waiting at the talk before. So married men, if they like give you, if they like give you, you will say this man na God. Not knowing say na him be the devil. If some married men like give you, not let married men like him. One of my friends got the friend one guy, the guy Origbo. This guy get wife for house. He can't lie say he not get wife. He get wife oh. He wife even knew he go even still born. Can't lie say he not get wife. This guy ask her, you sure say you not get wife? He say lie not get wife. You sure? This guy could even they ask the man friend self, abeg mona tell me if this una friend get wife for house. They say no, the man not get wife oh. We can't say okay now since they say not get wife, you feel follow now since the guy na good person. Now later when they come, all those the friends, aunties, when they come see say the guy don't fall in love with the girl, the man no even they call the married woman for house again. Now all of them come they beg the girl, this my girlfriend, they come they beg her, hey I beg this man. So when you the friend, the girl wife oh, he just marry small girl for village oh, and this girl now don't born. They just new do engagement. Nah, the man no dey gree call the woman girl. And this girl say, na so na be. She come cry, come meet me, say, see oh, he no go lie leave this man, he go frustrate these people life. Say na so this big go be. One I know say una brother get wife for house, una come dey lie give her say he no get wife. Why they talk this story? Because the way some men they lie, any woman will go believe man, no, I sorry, na be the man second, the girl second name. If you believe any man, go come lie give you can't really say, na truth. I sorry, na be your second name, because men they can lie, they lie too much. They lie too much. And this one say, I understand how. Let's remove hate in our hearts and listen to them. Yes, you are right. And this one can say, you are very right, brother. And the other commenter say, your husband is so intelligent. And another one say, this is my Yoruba brother. Okay now. And our next commenter say, Izzy, let your husband talk now, Osunde. And our second commenter, before we go Sarah Boss video, this is the last comment when we go take for Izzy Ogbeide. We will go Sarah Boss. And this one say, why saying those in the presence of your husband? Not good though, Izzy, because of the future, please. Yes, she feel they do something now, she feel they say anything now. Maybe mo not go, may I not talk wetin go provoke people. She feel they talk many things for her husband present. Now the guy will they take her, go they take her. He get where things will reach. The husband no fit take her, okay? Cause he get wetin you fit talk for where your husband dey. Anyway, shall not blame her because she married Yoruba man. Yoruba people know they forbid anything. Oh, we grow for Lagos well. we dey Lagos, we dey see their life. Yoruba no dey forbid anything. Easy, you choose where. We be say na kokobiri. When you dey follow Yoruba, you can do whatever you like, but no dey naked again. Respect that body for your husband. Since he don't marry you, even though he never put money, he don't do small for his side. Everybody don't know say this man na this woman husband. Even for the country one a day know say she is married to this man, he is married to this woman. Please try to respect your body, not dey expose am again. Abeg, take God beg you. Thank you. And for Yoruba, they no dey forbid anything. They no dey forbid. Their ìyàwó fit dey do vaga for outside. Na so their husband still dey do vaga for outside. Yoruba no dey forbid. Maybe some parts will dey when they forbid o, but the one wey I know, some family wey I know for Lagos, they no dey forbid. All of them dey do vaga up and down. So let's go to Sarah T-Boss video where Sarah T-Boss for comment come dey paro say, Mona come see graduate o, Mona come see o. Let's listen to Sarah T-Boss.
Call the guy daddy when she reach
To born.
when she reach to born.
Yeah.
So ekia slave don run from Rita saga enter motivational speaker with this boy. I dey tell you. He even run up even the thing. He could be this idiot. Say
Why, my people, why Sarah dey cause this manner? Why Sarah dey cause this manner? Sarah face is ekia queen. After all, the man never talk to you before. The man never get issue with you before. Now Izzy Ogbeide say she no go rest. She no will rest. Focus on her topic. Yesterday, as she dey do this video, people full there they watch with her saga. I don't know wetin she dey find for inside saga. They look for who no look for her. So Sarah no dey insult the guy. Focus on Izzy Ogbeide. Now Izzy Ogbeide say she dey find saga. Okay, my beautiful lady. Wanna listen to Sarah before I end the video.
see content smelling thing with
Justice
PhD
for
like this one
Ekia's
PhD.
slave
You know
has
here when
been-
the other block I'm not bother to reply. Block anyone not remain. Can you imagine the compatibility?
The cocorability. So somebody, let's talk about the comment section. So people come dey talk many things for the comment section. Say so ekia slave don run from Rita saga enter motivational speaker with this boy. So our commenter can say, stop crying, Sarah. Why are you full of evil? So somebody can reply her say, end Nigeria slave, live shut up. Life shut up. And our second commenter say, nah, she be the man for this relationship. Anyhow girl, anyhow girl, na be one right. Say anyhow girl. So somebody can reply say thank you. And our next commenter for Sarah comment section say, now her choice, let them enjoy their marriage in peace. Make you still go buy ring, mumu. And the other person say, reply the comment. He say, na the social media we dey single mother of two loading, we go hear am. So my people, let's end the video here. Mo end the video for here. God bless una. This one say Izzy Ogbeide dey depressed. God bless you, my amazing people. Don't forget to drop your comment on this video, and please do me a favor by subscribing. Support your girls. Subscribe for me. Support me by subscribing. God bless you. Subscription is free. Your one subscriber go do me a lot. So God bless you, my amazing people. See you on my next video. Not forget to drop your comment. See you. Head